Ever thought of using unconventional items as planters for your home garden? Today, we're going to explore how to create an ingenious home garden, using items you may already have lying around, such as pop-it fidget toys, sponges, and egg trays. Step 1 is gathering all the materials you'll need. This includes the unconventional planters mentioned earlier, as well as seeds, potting soil, a watering can or spray bottle, natural pest repellents or organic pesticides, fertilizer, and a small knife or scissors. Next, prepare the planters. Pop-it toys can hold soil and seeds, while sponges soaked in water are perfect for seed germination. Egg trays, on the other hand, are ideal for starting seeds, and they can later decompose naturally in the soil. Now it's time to plant the seeds. Tomatoes work well in the pop-it toys, while sweet peppers can start their life in the egg trays. Corn, due to its size, should be planted in larger containers. Once the seeds are planted, water them gently and place the planters in a sunny spot. To avoid pests, introduce natural repellents like marigolds or garlic around your garden. Apply organic pesticides to affected plants, or use netting to protect them from larger creatures. For your plants to thrive, they'll need regular fertilization and at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Also, remember to rotate the planters occasionally for even growth. As your garden grows, keep an eye on overcrowding and transplant any plants that outgrow their initial planters. Regularly check for pests and signs of disease to ensure your garden stays healthy. Finally, when the time comes, harvest your ripe produce. This not only gives you fresh food to enjoy, but also encourages further production. If you're feeling adventurous, consider starting new plants from kitchen scraps, watering plants with nutrient-rich aquarium water, or adding used coffee grounds to the soil as a fertilizer for acid-loving plants. Remember, setting up your garden may be quick, but the real magic happens over time with your care and patience. So embrace the process and enjoy the fruits or vegetables of your labor. Happy gardening!